Welcome to SRE Statconsultancy Services. Today, we're diving into descriptive statistics, the key to making sense of large data sets, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Descriptive statistics allows us to summarize data in a way that's clear and useful, and we'll explore how different industries, like healthcare, finance, and even agriculture, rely on these tools. Let's start with the basics. Descriptive statistics helps us organize and summarize data. It involves measures like mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation. You can think of it as turning a jungle of numbers into a neat, readable story. Let's start with the measures of central tendency mean, median, and mode. These show us the center of our data, but they are used differently in different fields. In hospitals, the mean, or average, is used to find the average recovery time for patients after surgery. But is the mean always the best measure? Imagine if one patient took a very long time to recover. That could throw off the average. In finance, median is often used to analyze salaries. If a CEO makes $10 million a year, that would make the mean salary skyrocket. But the median would give you a much better idea of what most employees make. Retailers care about mode, especially for popular products. The mode tells them which size or color sells the most, helping with inventory management. Next, let's talk about how spread out the data is. Measures of dispersion, like range, variance, and standard deviation, tell us how much the data varies. Imagine you're a teacher and you want to know how your students performed on a test. If everyone scored around the same, you'd have a low standard deviation. But if scores vary widely, then you have a high standard deviation. In manufacturing, consistency is key. A low variance in product quality means customers are getting the same reliable product every time. In stock markets, high standard deviation indicates that stock prices are volatile, while low standard deviation suggests stability. Investors use this to assess risk. Now, let's visualize data using distributions. In any industry, understanding how data points are spread can reveal valuable insights. Farmers look at the distribution of crop yields across different fields. A bell-shaped or normal distribution might show that most fields are producing at an average level, while a skewed distribution could signal some fields underperforming. Doctors might use distributions to understand cholesterol levels in patients. A right-skewed distribution might indicate that more patients have higher cholesterol than expected. Let's dive into how different industries use descriptive statistics to make decisions and drive strategy. In business analytics, descriptive statistics helps companies track performance, whether it's customer satisfaction ratings or website traffic. For example, a company might track the mean time users spend on their website and the variance of customer satisfaction scores. In clinical research, descriptive statistics can summarize patient demographics in a trial, like age or gender distribution, to ensure that the trial is representative. Marketers use descriptive statistics to analyze customer feedback. Suppose they launch a new ad campaign. By analyzing the mode of customer responses, they can identify common feedback themes and adjust their strategy accordingly. By now, you should see how descriptive statistics turns complex data into actionable insights. From understanding central tendencies like mean and median to analyzing variances and distributions, it's a powerful tool across industries. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to SRE Statconsultancy Services for more insights into the power of data. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, or beyond, descriptive statistics is a crucial part of making informed decisions.